Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths online class. So, we are discussing the chapter decimals. So, coming to the operations on decimals, we are discussing today addition of decimals. In the last class, we discussed how to compare decimal numbers and where the decimal numbers are used, the application of decimal numbers. Now we can see how can we add two decimal numbers. Now the concept of addition, how to add natural numbers or whole numbers, that you have already discussed, isn't it? The procedure, the method of addition for every numbers are same itself. That is addition with carryover and addition without carryover. The concept is same. Now what happens in the case of decimal numbers is that once you write the decimal numbers for adding, the place value and the decimal point should be placed correctly exactly so that you can add the numbers. You have to write the numbers in the order so that addition of decimal numbers will be correct. We'll discuss with the help of examples. First question, 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. Once you arrange and write the numbers, the place value of the numbers should not be altered. That means when you see these numbers, here this 0 is having the place value unit place, whereas in this number the unit place is for 8, and here it is again 0, and here we have one more place. What is that? Tens position. So that place value you have to place it correctly. So writing the numbers in order, 0.007, the here given number was 8.5. So in here, since after the decimal point we have 3 places, in order to make here also like this, I added 2 zeros. When you are adding these 2 zeros, don't add before the given number, but after the last of the number you have to add. Here after 5 we don't have any numbers, so I added 2 zeros in order to make match to this number. Now here after the decimal point we have only 2 places, so one more 0 we added. Now I arrange the numbers. Now we can add. So to the place values you have to add. Now all the numbers coming under thousands position, add it. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. Then comes 100 position, 0 plus 0 plus 8, that is 8 itself. Now tens position, 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. There is no carryover. Now putting the decimal point, see all the numbers decimal points are coming in a line. Then 8 plus 0, 0, 8. Now 3. So arrange the numbers in the order and the place value of the numbers should be placed correctly. Next question. 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. Here when you see the numbers, one number is a whole number, other two numbers are decimal numbers. So while writing the whole number, make sure that you are not changing the place value of the given numbers. 15 is not having a decimal point, isn't it? So where will we give the decimal point? After the number, that is 15.00 and 15 are same. So in order to make match for these numbers, I wrote 15.00 plus the other numbers as such, 0.632 and 13.8, I wrote 13.800. So here there is no place value change for any of the digits in the given number. Here 15.00 and 15 are same. Now adding 2 plus 0, 2, 0 plus 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 6 plus 8, 14, 4 here, 1 carry over, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 plus 1, 2. The normal addition method, you know how to add 3 numbers, right? One more example, 280.69 plus 25.2 plus 38. Here also one number is a whole number. So 280.69 I wrote same. 25.20 I added here plus 38 is a whole number. So I made it a decimal number by 38.00. Now adding 9 plus 0, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry over, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 33, 13 plus 1, 14, 4, 1 here, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3. See this method of addition I am not explaining that much because all of you know to add. Only the thing is that you have to write the numbers in the order. One more question, 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2. Again 2 is a whole number. So other numbers 0.750 you wrote same, 10.425 same, 2 write it as a decimal number 2.00. Why here we are putting 0? In case of addition, if you are writing simply 2, that is also correct. In the case of subtraction, you have to write that 0. That at the time of subtraction, I will explain you. Now 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 here, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3, 1. So this is addition of decimal numbers. The decimal point should be placed correctly and place values. Now solving some word problems. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. So he spent money for two books, maths book and science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. You know some terms in word problems. Total, altogether, then sum, all. If this comes, we are going to add. So here it is meant that we have to find the total, means we have to add the amount of the two books. So money spent on maths book, how much? Rupees 35.75. Now money spent on science book, rupees 32.60. Now how will you find the total money spent? Adding the given to money, that is amount, 35.75 plus rupees 32.60. Now adding 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 6, 13, 3, 1, 3 here, 1 carry over, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So what is the total amount? Rupees 68.35. Second question. Nazreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. So, in the previous class we discussed what was the application of decimal numbers, that is the conversion of units, isn't it? Here, she bought the cloth for stitching shirt and trousers. What is the length needed for shirt? 3 meter 20 centimeter, and here for trouser 2 meter 5 centimeter. So here the units are given in meter and centimeter. So we have to make it into 1 unit. So length of cloth for shirt is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now it converting to meter, 3.20 meter. You know how is this conversion? Length of cloth for trouser 2 meter 5 centimeter, you will get 2.05 meter. How is this conversion? Yes, you know 3 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 5 centimeter is a given length. Now meter you are not converting. What you are converting? Centimeter. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what will be 1 centimeter? 1 by 100 meter. So converting this 20 centimeter, 20 by 100 you will get 0.20. So both now are meter, so 3.20. Similarly 2 meter 5 centimeter. Meter you did not change, 5 centimeter you have to change, 5 by 100 0.05. So 2 plus 0.5, 2.05, you will get 2.05 meter. So this is how you are converting the given units. Now length of shirt and length of trousers you got. Now what is the total length of cloth? Adding all the two, 3.20 meter plus 2.05 meter, what you get? 5.25 meter. So the total length of the cloth is 5.25 meter. That why you are convert, if you are writing in this 3 meter 20 centimeter, that is no problem. Meter you have to add in the meter plus meter, meter and meter you have to add it along. Centimeter and centimeter you have to add. So you will get 3 plus 2, 5 meter, 20 plus 5, 25 centimeter. Then convert it into meter. In that way also you can do. But since you have studied the conversion of units, you can convert and write. So Nida traveled, next question. So Nida traveled 15 km to 60 meter by bus, 7 km 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot to reach her school. How far is her school from her home? So by what all means she is traveling? She is traveling some distance by bus, then by car, then by foot. So that is the total distance to her school. So what is the distance she is traveling? The distance by bus 15 km to 68 meter. So when we are converting to kilometer, 15.268 kilometer. Then distance by car 7 km 7 meter, again converting 7.007 kilometer. Distance by foot 500 meter. Converting this 500 meters, 0.500 kilometer. Conversion again, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So, here this kilometers we did not change, only meter we are changing. So, it is 268 meter dividing by 1000, 0.268. 7 meter dividing again by 1000, 0.007. 500 meter dividing, you will get 0.500. So, 500 kilometer. In that way, you are converting. So, the distance by bus, distance by car and distance by foot we converted. So, total distance is this all distance, adding all the distance, 15.268 plus 7.007 plus 0.500. See, you are writing the numbers in the order and adding. So, the total distance is how much? 22.775 kilometer. That conversion, that which part you are converting, since we are dealing with the decimal numbers, that is why we converted the given number into decimal number, kilometer. That is why we use the concept conversion over there. So the given unit, the given distance we converted to kilometers, so we got a decimal number. Now decimal numbers addition, writing all the numbers in the order and adding, you got 22.775 kilometer. So this is how we are adding decimal numbers. You can add the numbers as such, but keeping the decimal point and the place value of the numbers in a sequential order. So, winding up today's class, what we discussed today, how to add decimal numbers, isn't it? Addition of decimal numbers we discussed, and we solved some word problems regarding addition of numbers. So that's all for today. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper given. We'll meet with the next concept of the chapter. Thank you.